Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You will start right at the wallpaper picker. First, sign into your profile and unlock the device. Then right-click the desktop or open settings and select Wallpaper. You need to pick a source now, the built-in gallery, My Images folder, or Google Photos. Once chosen, thumbnails appear so you can preview options. Make sure to glance at aspect ratio and orientation indicators. They matter for how the image fills your screen. Proceed by tapping a thumbnail to preview before committing. Now focus on refinement. Pick the image you want and use crop and rotate tools to control composition. You can zoom and drag to position key elements where they look best. This is why you preview. Next, choose a layout mode: fill, fit, stretch, center, or tile, because each affects scaling differently. Once the image and layout look right, decide whether to apply to one desk or all desks. Make adjustments slowly and check both landscape and portrait displays if you use external monitors. Finish by clicking Set Wallpaper to confirm your choice. The picker closes and the change appears immediately. If the wallpaper doesn't stick, sign out and back in or restart your Chromebook to refresh the profile. Make sure Chrome Sync isn't blocking local changes. If an image is missing or fails to load, verify that the file is supported, JPEG, PNG, WebP, and you have permission to access it. When using Google Photos, ensure offline access or proper sharing settings so the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.